iPhone 17 Pro review. So, the iPhone 17 Pro continues to be Apple's sweet spot for professionals and tech enthusiasts, powered by the A19 Bionic chip. This phone offers lightning fast performance, gaming and editing app runs flawlessly, and the 120Hz ProMotion display is smooth and perfect for content consumption. Next is the camera system. The camera system is excellent. The 48 megapixel main sensor with improved night mode delivers stunning photos, and the new 5 times telephoto zoom is finally available across all Pro models. The battery life is good too, which lasts all day. Though it's slightly shorter than the Pro Max version, the titanium build feels premium and lightweight compared to last year's stainless steel design. So, overall, the iPhone 17 Pro is a top choice for those who want a pro level performance in a manageable size. If you're upgrading from an iPhone 14 Pro or older versions, this is absolutely worth it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.